It's that time again. It's phrasal verb time. So this is part 1 of a little lesson on phrasal verbs. First very common phrasal verb that we are going to discuss is look forward to. To look forward to means to be excited about something that you know is going to happen soon. For example, you can say, oh, I'm really looking forward to the weekend. Okay, so here's a little quiz. Which situation would be the best way to use look forward to? I look forward to doing my homework. I look forward to doing laundry. Or I look forward to going on vacation. If you said going on vacation, obviously you are going to be excited about going on vacation. Phrasal verb number 2 is run out of. Run out of means to have something slowly disappear. For example, if I have only 5 minutes left to write an exam, I can say, I am running out of time. So which situation do you think is the best one to use run out of? We're running out of eyes, we're running out of toilet paper, or we're running out of the sun. If you said running out of toilet paper, you guessed right. Not the best situation to be in. And the third very common phrasal verb is get up to. To get up to actually just means what your plans are. What are you going to do? For example, this weekend I will get up to seeing my friends. And which one do you think is the best thing to say? What will you get up to this weekend? I think I will get up to the sky. I will get up to the dishes. And the correct answer is, what will you get up to this weekend? Very common question to ask.